Alright, now we're going to unbox this X10 Jetson. I don't know if I can see it. X10 Jetson hoverboard. Let's get this unboxing going. It's my first hoverboard that I got, so this must be the power cord. Chicken falling out of my mouth. Nutrition. Must be the power supply. Enjoying the ride. Some type of direction. Stream trade hoverboard. A guide for your ride. Alright. Here's the thing. Now I wanted to know if it came out already charged. So that's what I was looking for. Looks like there's nothing else in there. I'll be looking to see if it's charged. It's pretty heavy, I can tell you that. I don't know if all of them are like this, but this thing is heavy. Alright. So it's nice and looks nice and slick and pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it is nice. I know it's probably dark in there. I'm gonna go outside with it in a second. It has some nice wheels. Smell nice and rubber. Now let's see if it's charged. So as you can see, it's fully charged. Missing one bar, but it's not bad though. I didn't think it was gonna have any charge. Alright, and this thing I can put on my phone, the app and shit. I can change the colors and make the colors on the wheel go. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So, and all look, for the price, it's pretty good. It's like $150, $220 plus tax. And it's a pretty cool little hoverboard. So, if you're interested in getting one, look up this Jetson thing. I'll be testing it in a minute. So, we'll have that part 2 for you guys, alright? Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and tune in to me breaking my butt on this thing. You feel I mean? I'm gonna go take it outside in a minute, see what it do. Alright.